Hey gang, just a really quick update that I wanted to give you. Right now we have some garlic planted in our sustainable garden, in our little garden plots, and this is a really interesting time of year where the garlic is starting to go to flower. Now, you know, perhaps if you've been in with me at my greenhouse lab classes, that garlic doesn't get grown from flower. It gets grown from the cloves of garlic, and it's planted in October. But here I had a little experiment to see if I planted my garlic right next to my Brussels sprouts, could I keep away some of the pests? And I'm noticing that the answer is kind of yes. It doesn't keep away all of the pests, but it does a good job of keeping away some of the pests. And so I've grown them right in the garden, right next to my Brussels and then garlic. But today is a wonderful day because it's Garlic Scape Day. Garlic produces a flower that's going to be sort of an immature flower. It's never going to fully develop. And it's this structure right here. It's this curved structure, and it ends in the immature flower. The whole thing is called the Garlic Scape. And in order for me to get nice, big, full cloves of garlic, I want to break it off. And so that's what I'm going to do right here. So I see one of my garlic plants coming up out of the soil, and there hasn't formed a garlic scape off of this one yet. The one right beneath or behind, there is one. I'm just going to reach on in and break it off. It snaps right off. And there it is, one garlic scape. You can see the liquid that's dripping right on out of it. It's wet. It's got a beautiful garlic smell, and you can eat it. Here I've got another garlic scape. I'm just going to trace it right back to the main plant, and I'm going to pinch it off if I can. There it is. That one didn't come out so easily. And there's the garlic scape. Reaching back, I've got another. Pinch that one off. That one snapped right off too, and you can see the moisture just dripping right off of it. I've got two more garlic scapes that I can harvest today. Reach right on back. One. And there you go. You can see it's just in your field of view right now. There's a lot of sap in there. And then the last one back here. Let me grab that. There it is. You can use these garlic scapes in your cooking. They're delicious. They have a very faint and refined garlic, not pungent, a garlic flavor to them. Got one more here, which we'll get. There it is. If you pull off these garlic scapes, you take them off as you find them, as they formed, then the garlic plant is going to give all of its energy to producing a nice, big, well-developed head of garlic from that clove that you planted. If you left your garlic scapes, then the plant would put its energy into producing these flowers. That's not what you want. And so we have gained ourselves some pretty good ground here by pulling off those garlic scapes. So there it is. There's my real quick lesson into garlic scapes and how to manage that in your sustainable garden.